In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a trippy text animation that gives your text an echo-like nightclub style movement. Let's start from the basics. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your caption or title. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits the trippy look you're going for. Clean, bold, or futuristic fonts usually work best so the effect stands out clearly. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll through the animations until you find Nightclub Echo. Apply it, and you'll immediately see your text duplicate and echo with a hypnotic, trippy motion across the screen. To control how intense and fast the animation feels, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for fast, energetic, club-style motion. Drag the slider to the right for slower, smoother, psychedelic movement. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly matches your music or visual style. And that's it. You've successfully added a trippy text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe